Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the visual effects in that Introduction to Motion Pictures or VFX pipeline. The motion pictures or VFX pipeline is nothing but it is a structured workflow that takes a film or a video to the visual effects from its conceptual stage to the final product on the screen. Mostly it involves the interconnected stages and process according to our need. This is a VFX pipeline diagram. In that every pipeline have a 3 stages. In the VFX also we having a 3 stage. First stage is pre-production, second is production, third is post-production. In the first stage, the pre-production, first we need to research, we need to give the storyboard, art, concept, that everything will become under the pre-production. Second is production, the final cut, picture look, details, VFX plans, reference, imagine that everything will become under the production. Next one is post-production. First we need to do the pre-production, second is production, third one is post-production. In the post-production only we are going to do the color correction, lighting effects, rigging, simulation, automation, animation, matching movies, that every process, maximum editing, this every process will become under the post-production stage. Moreover, without this any of one stage we can't give the final output or final process of our video. This is the stages in the VFX pipeline. First one is conceptualization. This is the first stage and the most important stage in our VFX pipeline. In this stage only we need to identify what is the storyboard, what is the documentation, what is the initial planning, and what is the concept for our video for taking, that everything will be come under the conceptualization. Second one is pre-visualization. Before filming a product or a video, we need to visualize the complex scene or the camera movement or overall sequence. According to the sequence only we need to take the photo shoots, actions, or what are the effects we need to give, and what is the blueprint of the production, that everything will become under the pre-visualization. The third one is production. This is nothing but it take place during the actual film stage. Whenever we need the live action footage or green screen shots or blue screen shots, that everything, the elements will be captured and its location, that everything will become under the production. Next is editing. This will come will overall package of the editing will become under the captured during the camera action, and what are the things we need to edit and what we need to keep and what we need to cut according to the director vision. We need to change in our product, in our video. Next is VFX planning. This involves a detailed planning of the integration of the visual effects. It includes the decision on which scene need effects and level of complexity, coordination, live action footage, that everything will become under VFX planning. Sixth stage is assets creation. This is a digital assets creating required for artists, which includes the 3D model, texture, character, environments, etc. This everything will become under the asset creation. What is the character we need to design, what frame they need to act, and how the character need to give the motion, that everything will become under the assets creation. Next is animation. We created one asset, that is one character or one picture we created. After that we need to give a real life to the particular character. If you are giving the particular motion or action to the character only, it looks like a real animation film. Next is simulation. This mostly based upon the physics simulation, that is using the gravitational force or certain effects according to the surface. Next is compositing. Different elements like computer generated imaginary or VFX or animation character, that everything we need to combine together according to the color gradient by the layer we need to take place in a particular VFX pipeline. The next stage is rendering. This composite scene, according to the render, this is the final image or frame according to our editing process and taking process. Next is in this picture you can see what is the director is doing. First they're creating one character. According to the character they mentioned, first they're drawing the character, second they are giving visualization. Next what does the character need to do? They are giving the motion action for the character. Second one is rigging, rendering, coloring, lighting, everything will be they are giving. At last they are giving the motion effects, that is moving from here and there, effects, that everything will be giving by the particular director. The next is what are movie making and VFX. There is a most important and big difference between the movie making and VFX is the movie making is nothing but it just creating a movie. According to that movie we are displaying to the audience, that is a movie making. But VFX is nothing but it give some technological and various technique and we are using to manipulate the imaginary. The movie making is refers to as a process of creating just a film or movies by combining the storytelling, the arts, character and a technical skill for creating some elements which depends upon the capture of the audience attention. But in the other hand, the VFX uses the various techniques and technologies to create a computer generated imaginary outside the box and for the context of the live action shoots. Mostly this affects into the films or video. It attracts the audience and it gives moreover it creates and enhances the elements that can't be achieved by normal film in the real life. This is mostly come under according to the film director. The film director need to choose what is a storyboard, what is a concept, what is the action, where we need to cut, where we need to edit, and what are the things we need to give, light effects, music, sound effects, that everything will be depends upon the film director. In this image we can see the two types of image. The first one is just outside the screen, that's a blue screen, that's motion capture. Second one is that we can see in the real movies, but according to the first picture only they took the second picture. The second picture only we are seeing in the movie, that is not real. It depends upon the visual effects. Thank you.